AP Bio students, I will save you the trouble of staring at my ugly mug while I go through this and just kind of get this done here. Probably about 3 minutes or so to kind of describe the first week. So, first thing that you need to do this week on Monday is that you need to watch this intro to AP Bio. It is meant to be kind of comical, so go ahead and enjoy it. I know it's a little awkward. Moving forward, your job will be to check out the calendar, the Bio Daily Calendar, as much as you can. That calendar kind of outlines here's the next 2 weeks basically, and I'll keep updating as needed. We're doing this flipped video right now, and then I'll talk about each of these things on your checklist. So you're going to have a week one checklist that's right underneath this week one folder, and that checklist looks like this. So you're watching this flip video, check. Make sure you do attendance, both of the forms. So there are two forms of attendance. There's this one, and there's this one. They look like this. Pretty simple. It's just a attendance form on Google Forms, and you submit that. You do that daily. And then there's another one that's done in Schoology, and essentially it's just a way for me to track it on Schoology a lot easier than through Google Forms. Basically what you're doing is you're saying, hey, I plan on being here the following days, and you submit it. And then if you get sick, if you have a appointment, personal family reason, whatever, and you can't make it, unclick the box. Just be honest about it and then resubmit it. You can take it multiple times, so you should be able to resubmit each time. And then I'll just get attendance from there. So that's that. All right. There is also underneath, let's think here, underneath the calendar. So your job for Monday is going to be to log into my AP Classroom, and the steps for that were outlined in a couple of different videos from before. If you need those reposted, I can do that. Watch the 1.1 video and take the 1.1 quiz, and then we'll have a Google Meet on Tuesday. And like I said in my other videos, join in if you're during that class period, it's expected. And then if you're not during that class period, please join in as well. It'll be good to have you. If you can't make it, you can't make it. I understand the first couple of days here are going to be really hectic and busy and crazy. On Wednesday, you can see what the assignment is here. Thursday, another Google Meet. And then Friday, support as needed. And then there's a dehydration synthesis hydrolysis worksheet, this thing right here. That's the first item that I think many of you will really be stressed out about and have some trouble working your way through. So I will be available for help on a Google Meet on Friday for that, or over the weekend, or on Monday, and we'll make sure that we're good with that. So ultimately, that's going to be your whole rundown of the week. My hope is that that's relatively clear. If you have any questions, make sure that you just email me, and I think that about does it. Good luck, take care, and we'll see you on Tuesday.